What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't been online here in quite a while and I want to apologize for that. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I've actually been quite sick. I've had COVID. I am COVID free. I'm tested negative on my antigen test, but it's just still lingering in my body for whatever reason. I'm all nasally and sneezing and everything. It's actually taken so much out of me. I'm so surprised of how sick I got with COVID, considering I'm fully vaxxed. Paddy got it, Noah got it, Paddy's parents got it. We were all in the house together and it affected every single one of us in a different way. I actually got the sickest out of everyone, which is just so strange. Like, Paddy had it for about 48 hours and he was then over it, whereas myself and Paddy's dad definitely got the brunt of it. And I don't know why, I'm still kind of very low energy. I just feel like I'm so lethargic and I just can't string sentences together. It's just really honestly taken a lot out of me. I had to take time off work, which was so annoying because I had just started my work. About 3 or 4 people in my work, on my work team, actually contracted around the same time, which is so random. So yeah, that's where I've been for the longest time, focused on recovering. Noah, obviously, and then work, because I went back to work last week. So anyway, I'm going to do an ALDI haul. I am going to structure some of these videos a little bit different. I feel like a lot of my videos and content going forward is going to be household related, because I know you guys really enjoyed that when I was living out of home a few years ago. I was talking about like cleaning products and stuff like that, so I am going to have a lot of home things. But I think it's really interesting to see what's actually in the store, and a lot of my American followers say that their ALDIs don't, you know, they don't have some of these products. So I thought it might be interesting for you guys to see the inside of the ALDI and the special buy section. So I'm just going to insert that bit here so you can have a little look. That interesting, just seeing what was in the special buys. Let's get into my ALDI haul and what I picked up. I know that you guys love looking through the brochures. I love flicking through them myself, and I just always get them on the way out. Sit down at home and like just enjoy a little flick through them. They've a lot of Easter things coming in, considering Easter's coming up. I mean, they've a lot of power tools coming in, and we're just very interested in getting all those power tools because we're renovating our home, or the house that we bought, we're renovating it at the moment. One thing I don't have with me is a beautiful ceramic lamp that I got. It's like a ceramic base on it, a beautiful lampshade on it, $39.99. Really affordable, considering it's quite similar to the White Company style and some of Zara Home that I've seen, you know, with that ceramic base. Really pretty. I don't have it with me because I brought it to our house when I picked it up, and I just brought the rest of these back here to my home place so I could show you. They are absolutely gorgeous. By the way, all of the stuff that you see in this video I got in the Blanchardstown ALDI. It's one of my favourite ALDIs, and I love going in there early on a Sunday morning because nobody's in there and you can get all like the special buys. But the first thing is this gorgeous candle I picked up, and it's the Paradise Bergamot Amber and Vanilla candle, and it has these seashells in it, and I thought that this was super similar to the White Company and their style of candles. They do so many different ones. I think this scent is similar to the Seychelles, or it's supposed to be duping it. I can't actually really smell it, but when I did pick it up, it smelled so gorgeous. The fact there's little shells in it, it's just a really nice candle. Aldi's special buys are by far my favourite thing at the moment. Like, I actually think that they're doing such a good job with the homeware. But I picked up these 2-pack of clear storage jars, and I just thought that these were really nice for the bathroom. Obviously our bathrooms are being done up at the moment, and you can kind of see right there, like they have one for cotton balls and one's for Q-tips. I just thought that these looked really nice, and they look so pretty in the bathrooms. And I'm going to put like cotton rounds in them, things that I would use on a day-to-day basis. They're just these really nice heavy jars. Like, they're not like cheapy looking, and they've little lids on them. They're really nice product, and I was actually delighted to get these. And I think they were only like $8.99. They were on like discount as well, like they were getting rid of some stock, so I got them at a reduced price, which was just great. And then Aldi also had like loads of like baking dishes and pots and pans and stuff. I haven't picked up any of those things yet for the house because I just don't want to like overbuy things right now and see different things that I want down the line and be like, I shouldn't have got so many pots, I should have got this size. I also think that you realize what you need or what you use in a kitchen once you start like cooking in the kitchen and using the kitchen. So my first thing is a wok. I'm on the hunt for a really good wok. I use woks quite a lot. My favorite cooking tool. Picked up this rectangular oven dish because I thought this would be a really nice lasagna dish. It came in like a cream shade, and Patty and I absolutely adore lasagna. I will make one lasagna at least a week, and then we will freeze part of the lasagna. He might have it for lunch, or we might have it for a second dinner later in the week. I love lasagna. It's probably one of my favorite dinners that I make. So I thought that this was like the perfect lasagna dish, and it was only $6.99. Those oven dishes are great as well to make like sticky toffee pudding, or to make like garlic potatoes or a pasta bake or something like that. So that's a really versatile dish, and I knew from like past experience of using them in the kitchen I would have so much use for that. They had a lot of stationery products in this week, and there was a lot of bullet journal things. If you guys know, I bullet journal. I absolutely love it, but I picked up this because I thought it was a really handy little, sorry about the light. I thought it was a really handy little journal to have. It's a home and organization journal. They had a well-being one as well, just if you want to track your fitness or your nutrition. And then they also had a meal plan one, just again if you're planning your nutrition or if you're making meals for the family during the week. But I picked up the home one because I thought it was quite applicable right now. It has little stickers on the inside. You have 3 separate tabs. One of them says ideas, the other one says monthly tasks, and then we've weekly to-dos. So the ideas would be like home hacks, room ideas, shopping lists, and I just thought it was really handy just for myself. You know what, home hacks you could put like if you want to do like a vision board for certain rooms, or if there's like transformations you want to do with furniture. Like I know there's a lot of IKEA hacks and stuff like that, so I just thought that that would be really good. And then the monthly tasks, which are very applicable to us right now because we are obviously on March, so Patty and I have like different tasks that we're doing every month. So March, we're trying to get our bathrooms finished. Our kitchen has been installed in May, so those little tasks need to be done. And then obviously like March will be like, you know, picking out tiles, or you know, buying some appliances or whatever it may be. And I just really like the fact that it's month by month, and it's just a really nice little journal. And then they also have the weekly to-dos, so they have tasks that you could do. So like, you know, maybe bathroom, clean glass in shower, whatever tasks that you want to do in a particular week. I'm very old-fashioned. I actually quite like scripting and writing, and it's a big part of my life. I've always journaled, so I find something physically like on front of me that I will actually achieve those tasks and actually do them, versus if they're written down on my phone. I just tend not to go to my phone for those things. I picked up a couple of food items. I thought that these were quite interesting. Now they're so sticky. Obviously one of them was kind of like leaked or something, but they were these Sweet Freedom caramel syrup for drizzling in coffees, and I got one in, yeah, sorry, the caramel, I already said that, and a vanilla syrup. So I thought that these were really nice. I've never seen them before in Aldi. They're plant-based, and there's only 13 calories per teaspoon. You add them to coffees, wraps, cocktails, drizzle over pancakes and porridge, and I just thought that they were really nice. So I said I would give them a try and see what I think of them, because, you know, I might like them, I might not, but again, they were just kind of there in the special buy section. So hopefully I don't like them too much because they might be hard to get. And then I also love a good bit of skincare. So I found this facial cream, and this was the Lacura 24-hour hydration and protection, and it comes in this like little blue tub. I need a new moisturizer and I've run out of my Bare Minerals one, so I said I might give this one a go and see what I think of it. I think the packaging is just very basic on it, but I don't know if it's trying to like match the Kiehl's one, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. I know Aldi do try and dupe some of the higher end products. I'll give it a go and see what I think. I also picked up this serum. It's the Overnight Repair Concentrate, and I think this is supposed to be like the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It's quite similar packaging wise. So I thought that these were both, like I said, dupes of the Kiehl's products. I'll give them a go and see what I think of them. The Wanderlust Rescue Mask. I don't know what this is a dupe of, but it's supposed to be an overnight mask or travel like mask that you can wear on the plane or whatever. Apply a thin layer of the mask and leave on to cleanse dry skin for best results for 10 to 15 minutes. No need to rinse, massage in any residue. So I'm going to give that a go and see what it's like. My skin is really bad at the moment. I think it's just got to do with being indoors quite a lot. You know, my skin's a bit dry from not getting out. The next thing I got was this Glow Getter body makeup in dark. It's supposed to be similar, I think, to the Bondi Sands, their equivalent to the like body makeup that they have. I really like that product, so I said I'd give this one a go. I picked up the dark because there was only a light and a dark, and I just figured that the dark might match me a lot better than the light. And then I also picked up the Watermelon Gel Moisturizer. Again, these are everywhere. Like, they so many different ones. I like banana ones, and then they had mangoes, like all these different ones which are supposed to be similar to the Glow recipe, and I don't know if they're going to perform as well as Glow recipe. I've never used Glow recipes, so I don't know, but they are really nicely packaged. Like, they come in glass containers and they have the little lid. They're just very similar. And I picked up another one, Papaya Enzyme Face Scrub. Again, I said that my skin is really dry and I have flaky skin for whatever reason. I've never suffered from flaky skin before, so I picked up this one and I thought maybe it might be a nice little face scrub. Again, it comes in that lovely glass packaging, and I just think that they're really nice. Very similar to Glow recipe packaging wise. If you guys have used them, what do you think of them? I can't wait to give them a try and see what I think. The next two items are a little bit boring, but I got toothbrushes. Patty and I both needed toothbrushes. We're actually waiting on our electric toothbrushes to come. They're out of stock and they're been sent as soon as they come back into stock, so I just said I'd pick up some toothbrushes in the meantime. These are from Dentix. They're supposed to be like the Colgate brand. And then I picked up a Colgate toothbrush for Noah. This is 0 to 3 months or 0 to 3 years, extra soft. He's not going to need it for a while, but I just saw it there and I was like, do you know what, the more teeth he has 2 teeth currently, but I was like, the more teeth that he gets, I'm going to try and encourage him obviously to be brushing his teeth from, you know, whenever he starts to kind of have a little bit of consciousness that he needs to brush his teeth. I'm using this like little finger rubber brush at the moment just to brush his teeth, but when he is a little bit more dexterous, we'll give this one a go. I just picked it up. I know I'm probably premature in getting it, but I just saw it and I grabbed it. The next thing I picked up was this Paradise Bergamot Amber Vanilla, same scent as the candle. Again, very White Company inspired. I just thought that this was really nice. It's a scented hand wash. Don't know whether I'm going to leave it in this kind of packaging or get like those little dispensers that you can get for your bathroom, but I just thought it was such a nice scent. It also came in a hand cream, but they didn't have the equivalent Paradise scent, and I didn't want to get like 2 different scents. Again, this is probably going to be something I'll put in like the bathrooms or something, or maybe downstairs I might just use it or put it on a shelf excuse me, for, you know, guests or whatever to wash their hands with. I mean, self-explanatory, but I really liked the scent. The packaging is not the most amazing, but like I said, it's clearly trying to dupe the White Company with the Seychelles scent, especially the Paradise. I think all the same ingredients are in the Paradise scent. And the last things I kind of picked up were all of these products that were on sale. I'd seen them before and I kind of just passed by them. They were Christmas products that came out and they look like Bath and Body Works. There's the Winter Cookies shower gel and the Gingerbread Latte shower gel, and then I also picked up an apple scent, which was the Winter Candy Apple. These were like 80 cent, maybe 70 cent. And I was like, I can't leave a shower gel that's 70 cent behind. They smell incredible. This is my favorite one, the Winter Cookies. It just smells so, so good. They also had hand soap. So they had the gingerbread latte in this hand soap. I just think they'd be really nice at Christmas. And again, I know I'm premature in buying these things, but Christmas will probably be when I will have all these things out. We're hoping to be in our house by the summertime, but you know the way, like we'll be still moving into renovations, and you know there's still going to be bits and pieces done. So we're hoping that by Christmas time everything will be fully finished. We'll have all the rooms done. We're probably a bit ambitious with Christmas, but I have all my soaps at the ready. I'm just picking up bits and pieces as I see them because I'm so excited, and I just can't wait to be living in our home. And like I said, I just was in Aldi and I was like, oh, I need all these things, even though I probably don't, but I will use them eventually. The journal is something I'm going to be using right now, and obviously those sauces and some of the skincare. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to all of you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.